I don't even give an update on the wigs because about time it's time for me to give an update on my wigs. The wigs are in the trash. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl the Glam Empress, and I'm here with an update on my $45 wig that I got from TikTok. That's right, you heard it. And if you want to hear more about how this wig held up and more about the update on this wig, definitely continue watching this video until the end. Alright you guys, so I told y'all I was going to come back with an update on this wig. This is a 13x4 glueless water wave wig, and it is 18-inch, and you guys, I'm telling you, hands down, I'm still in shock with this wig. Like, I really can't believe it's like I found a needle in a haystack. To all my girlies who are out there who are into wigs, and you know how it's hit or miss when you're always purchasing a new wig, and when you put it on for the first day, or when your stylist put it on for the first day, it's giving everything. It's giving life. It's buttery soft, it's smooth, it's flowy, it's everything that you dreamed of it being, until maybe about day 2 or day 3. That's when you start knowing the hair start turning stale on you. You can't get a brush through it. It start knotting up on one side and sticking like that, and it's just awful, you guys. And even though this is a glueless wig, I was taking it on and off. I have slept in it. I have gone to the gym in it. I have took a shower in it. I washed it, you guys. I didn't even have to pull out my silicone mix. Like, this wig is still everything. As you guys can see, I even switched up my part. I done gave myself a little right side part. I done put some little baby hairs in it, jazzed it up a little bit, y'all, and it's still giving life. And that's the type of wigs that I love to purchase. I don't care if it's $200 or $45. No matter how much you spend on a wig, it should still give quality. And I would say with this wig, it's giving better quality than some of my other more expensive wigs, you guys. Like I was telling my TikTok girlies, the only cons I would say about this wig is it does shed, but it don't shed like a dog. It more so shed when you're brushing out the hair, or if you're washing the hair. Some strands may come out, but it don't come out in clumps, you guys. But for the most part, I can deal with that. I can deal with that as long as the hair is still flowy, it's still move, it got some movement to it. I can deal with strands of hair falling out, just because with your real hair is gonna shed. So that does not bother me as long as it's not coming out in balls. And then also, you guys, as far as the lace, like, you can see a little bit of the lace in the front, but somebody really gotta be staring at your forehead to notice the lace, y'all. I can say with this lace, it is a little bit noticeable, but if you know how to customize your wigs, it's not that noticeable. And then also, I would say if you want a little bit more naturalness to your wig, go ahead and bleach the knots, because the knots you can kind of see the knots again if you're all up in somebody's head. But for the most part, that's the only cons that I would give for the wig. Again, this wig is nice and flowy. I did wash it. I put some mousse in it, and I'm just gonna do a 360 so y'all can see. It still look good. And then even when you wash it, you guys, the curl does get a little bit tighter, but I done brushed the hair every which way. I done combed it. I done put a part in it. I done flat ironed it as well, you guys. But I can say again, like, with this hair, with this company, like Faba, I don't know where you found this hair from, what y'all got going on, but like I said, this is some of the best hair that I've ever received, and I paid less than $50 for it. And again, some of my wigs where I've paid hundreds of dollars for it can't even compare to this hair. So Faba, if you're out there, like, I would love to purchase another wig from y'all. This wig is everything. I absolutely love it. Again, when you wash it, y'all, the curls are so pretty. It gets even tighter and it shrinks up. And then of course when you're brushing out the hair, it does the curls do get poofy. If you like little ringlets, I would say definitely 2-strand twist it. But other than that, I love the curls when it's tight. I love the curls when it's puffy. Like, I just absolutely love this hair, you guys. And I mean, I'm a wig wearer, so I definitely can tell you when I've had some not so great wigs. But for the most part, this hair is absolutely beautiful. And usually I don't even give an update on the wigs, because by the time it's time for me to give an update on my wigs, the wigs are in the trash. So I just had to come on here and just let you girlies know that this wig is legit. Like, I went back on there not too long ago, y'all, and I saw the price for this wig, and it's still $45. So go ahead and grab it. Don't even wait until payday, y'all. Klarna if you have to. Shoot, overdraft if you have to, y'all. But definitely check out this wig. I found it on TikTok Shop. I will try to link the link down below. I had to go back and find it again, but I will link the information down below for you girlies. Oh, and I do want to show you, like, me brushing the hair, just so you can kind of see what that looks like. Okay, and this is just me brushing the hair. It already has mousse in it, but just look, like, you might have some little kinks and stuff at the end, but just look how the hair just bounces when you brush it. Like, that is crazy. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, you guys. And as you guys can also see, it's not much parting space. It is a 13x4. I don't know if they had any 13x6s, but I'm okay with that. I don't need all the bells and whistles and the colors and stuff like that, especially if you're paying $45. Again, usually when you are paying that price, it's for synthetic hair. This is not synthetic hair at all. I can vouch for it. So definitely get your hands on this wig if you can, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm sure you guys are gonna want to know how this hair came out of the pack, and if you're interested in that, go ahead and watch the next video up above. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, and I wanted to let you guys know that of course your girlie has joined or signed up as an applicant to be on the Sephora squad. So if you can, leave me a testimonial down below and let them know how I'm your beauty expert queen. I am a licensed beauty advisor at Sephora, so I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could leave me a testimonial. Being on the Sephora squad would be a dream. Again, I know a plethora of different items. I know all about it at Sephora. I'm a beauty expert, so definitely help your girl out and let's get on the Sephora squad. And if it doesn't happen this year, I'm gonna be applying next year, and I'm gonna be applying every year until I get on it. So let's help me get on it this year, you guys. I don't mean to be a pest, but I do want to have a chance or a shot at being on the Sephora squad. But in the meantime, check out the next video here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.